Hell yeah.
So, yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, right? So, the good thing about this barber industry that we have going on is there's a lot of companies that's trying to, well, before I get into that, you like the videos, thumbs up, you dislike them, thumbs down, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, right? The good thing about this is there's a lot of companies that's trying to make the best trimmer. They're trying to make the best blade. They're trying to make the best cordless. They're trying to put the best product out, right? And to me, of course, the Gamma, the X Evo is not a bad trimmer. The blade is not a bad blade, if y'all can see that. This is the Ultimate 2.0. Cuts very nicely. This here is the Andis. Y'all see I've been using this like crazy. This is the Andis GTX XO. This is the cordless that came out earlier this year. Actually, I don't know when I'm gonna drop this. So it came out earlier 2021, depending on when this video dropped. But a lot of people have complained about the machine not really holding up. But the blade, I do like the blade, right? So a lot of the complaint is if this blade was on a better machine, or if this machine was better. So that's another great thing about this industry is people coming up with modifications. So this was sent to me from Philthy Blendz, and this is his modifier. This is his cam follower to put the Andis GTXO blade on the XO, the Gamma XO, right? The X Evo. So we're gonna try to do this. I've not messed with this yet. I haven't opened this to see how it goes. So we're gonna try to do this on camera. Hopefully I do this right. Hopefully, all right? Let's see, let's speed this up, but we're gonna take this off. We're gonna get rid of this blade. Well, first, let me let y'all hear how loud or how it sounds before I put a different blade on it. So it's not too bad. And I just want to show that because sometimes when you do a modification, depending on how the mod is, it can make the product a little bit louder. So again, now let's get to it. So you're gonna take this off of the, of course you're gonna clean your blade, all right? You're gonna clean your blade. You're gonna take this off of there because this is now going to be placed onto the blade, all right? So as you see, this is not going to fit on this. That's where, and that is where this will come in at. So if you try to put this on there without the bracket, it's not made for that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna match this up with the holes there, all right? I can match it up. Maybe I'm matching it wrong, all right? Maybe I got it on the wrong. I can never do this right on camera, right? You're gonna match it up right there. Take your little screws. So you're gonna put the bracket on. The Philthy Blendz mods will include all the screws you need. So there's no need to worry about if you got everything you needed. Boom, right? So now that you have put that bracket on there, behold, you place that in there, right? You still matching that up. Now you, boom. See how that go? Get your screws. You're gonna make sure that you got the pins hooked in right there on the follower. Everything is in place. Tighten everything up. My blade is already set, so I should be good to go. And now we have a GTX blade on the Gamma X Evos. Didn't make it no louder. The test to see if it still cuts. Can y'all see that? Let me see if I need to zoom out a little bit, not that far. Let me see. Oh yeah. And there we go. We have just swapped the GTX XO blade to the X Evo. And now we're going to see how this works on some lineups. Will this make the X Evo better? Does it change anything? As you can hear, it doesn't make it no louder. It was easy to put on. There we go. Like, share, subscribe. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you dislike, thumbs down. And yeah. We'll be back. We'll be back with the review of this and if it was worth it. Peace.